It's the elevator at Bloomingdale's in Willowbrook Mall. Three is a Schindler 3300. Unfortunately, it replaced a much older elevator here. So the story of this elevator is that there used to be a much older elevator. Many of us believe it's a Haughton, but when P.F. Chang's opened up here in Bloomingdale's, that elevator had to go, and then we have this one. This one is okay, but I'm not that easy feeling with the creaking right now. Go one more time. One. Goodness, that is a lot of creaking. That does not sound good. Which floor are you going to?
They just said 2 floors up.
So 3?
3, I guess, yeah.
Okay. Excuse me. Have a great day.
You too.
Oh yeah, and the elevator opens right out there. That's perfectly ADA compliant now because you have those steps. So yeah, that's it.